Μαζί μας στο βήμα ο κύριος Ανδρέας Κομνηνός, δικηγόρος στο Δικαστήριο του Μεγάλου Δουκάτου του Λουξεμβούργου. Το θέμα του αφορά τα ξένα funds και δυνατότητες ανάπτυξης. Ο κύριος Κομνηνός είναι μέλος του Συμβουλίου της Επαγγελματικής Ένωσης του Λουξεμβούργου και της Διεθνούς Ένωσης Δικηγόρων. Είναι μέλος του Διοικητικού Συμβουλίου Μεγάλων Πολυεθνικών Εταιριών που δραστηριοποιούνται στο διεθνή χρηματοοικονομικό χώρο. Με βασική ειδίκευση στο εταιρικό δίκαιο και σε ζητήματα Διεθνούς Ιδιωτικού Δικαίου και επιχειρηματικού δικαίου, συμβουλεύει πολυεθνικές εταιρείες και ομίλους. Κύριε Κομνηνέ, έχετε τον λόγο.
Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ. Καλησπέρα σας. Θα ήθελα καταρχήν να σας ευχαριστήσω τους οργανωτές, τον κύριο Καρβέλα ειδικά, αλλά και όλους τους οργανωτές του συνεδρίου που μου δώσαν την τιμή να μιλήσω σήμερα εδώ σε εσάς. Το θέμα το οποίο θα αναπτύξω βάσει της δικής μου ιδιότητας είναι μία πιθανή συνέργεια της περιοχής της Ναυπάκτου σε σχέση με επενδυτικά αμοιβαία κεφάλαια, τα οποία θα μπορούσαν, όπως βοηθούν όλη την ελληνική περιφέρεια, να επενδύσουν κάτω από κάποιες προϋποθέσεις οι οποίες υπάρχουν πλέον στην περιοχή, η οποία χρειάζεται σίγουρα και έχει και τη δυνατότητα να κάνει μια θεαματική ανάπτυξη σε όλους τους τομείς και κυρίως στον τομέα των ακινήτων. Έχω ετοιμάσει για λόγους κυρίως μεγαλύτερης precision την ομιλία μου στα αγγλικά. Εάν χρειαστείτε οτιδήποτε εξηγήσεις ή λεπτομέρειες σχετικά με αυτό που λέω, μην διστάσετε, θα απαντήσω ή στα αγγλικά ή στα ελληνικά, δεν υπάρχει κάποιο πρόβλημα. Απλώς, ωραία. Λοιπόν, so today I would like to explore an intriguing topic at the intersection of international finance and real estate. Luxembourg's investment in the Greek real estate market, and mainly the real estate market here in this beautiful region that has invited us to this forum, which is extremely interesting. Luxembourg, where I live and work, has been a global financial powerhouse known for its robust financial services industry and savvy investment strategies. In recent years, Luxembourg's interest in the Greek real estate has grown significantly. Greece, on the other hand, has welcomed since now some years foreign investment to boost its economic and revitalize in real estate sector following years of economic challenges. So, what is exactly the significance of Luxembourg investments in Greece? First of all, economic recovery for Greece. Following the financial crisis, Greece has been a path for economic recovery. Luxembourg's investment in Greece real estate play a vital role to this recovery, and then we have also the diversification. For Luxembourg, investment in Greece real estate represents huge opportunity for diversification away from traditional assets classes. Greece has also a strategic location. It's very important for Luxembourg investments. Europe provides the Greek strategic location in southeastern Europe provides access to both European and Mediterranean markets, which is very important for channeling Luxembourg and international assets. So what exactly is the key sectors of interest for Luxembourg investments in Greece? First of all, tourism and hospitality. Greece's tourism industry is a major draw for investors. Luxurious resorts, hotels, vacation properties, along with the Greek islands and the mainland, are highly sought after. Residential real estate is also very important. Residential market in Greece attracts investors looking for opportunities. Commercial real estate, office buildings, retail spaces in Greek major cities, but moreover also here in this region. And finally, logistic and industrial properties. Nafpaktos and the area of Nafpaktos is a very strategically important area for all these four sectors. So it is very important that we promote the region and that we can apply for private equity help from Luxembourg investment funds. Of course, there are challenges. we have a very complex legal and regularity framework. It improves, but it's also always very complex. We have also economic stability. International, European, Luxembourg real estate funds need stability and need reinsurance. And then also political factors, we need political stability. There are a lot of benefits, mutual benefits, for Luxembourg and for Greece for such a synergy. First of all, there is a portfolio diversification, as I said before. For the Luxembourg investors, it's critical that they diversify their portfolio. And Greece offers this possibility. And then we have steady returns. Greek real estate can offer really steady rental income and potential capital appreciation, providing a stable source of returns for Luxembourg investors. Economic boost for Greece. That's a very huge and important impact for Greece. Luxembourg's investment contribute to Greece's economic growth, creating jobs and stimulating the local real estate sector also for this region. Then we have infrastructure development, again, investment in logistics and industrial properties, and I can tell you that, thank you, for the region and for the position of this strategic position of this region, it's very important that we also develop logistics. Then, why Luxembourg? First of all, because I'm coming from Luxembourg, so I know exactly what I can say, but Luxembourg has a strategic location. It's in the heart of Europe, so it makes it ideal for alternative investment funds. Then we have a very stable and well-established regulatory framework. The introduction of the Alternative Investment Fund Managed Directive further solidifies Luxembourg's position. And then also we have, of course, tax efficiency. It's well known that everyone invests in Luxembourg because of this tax efficiency. We have benefits, double taxation treaties network, and tax-efficient structures options. And then we have also a very financial expertise in this and a political and economic stability. The country is a founding member of the European Union, politically stable, financially stable, AAA rated. It has access to over 500 million of EU residents, reliable investment regulations, over 4,200 supervised investment vehicles with around 14,500 sub-funds, a competitive framework for passporting of funds within the European Union, which is very important. Luxembourg funds are sold in more than 70 countries. It offers a wide range of supervising and non-supervised investment funds, I'm going to explain later, UCITS and IEFs, so alternative investment funds, umbrella funds, and non-supervised funds. It has also tax benefits, as I said before. We need, depending on the need of investors, we can really tailor-made how the investment is made, exemptions of VAT payments, funds may access double taxation avoidance treaties, benefits, or establish SPVs that would have access. So, what are the available options? So how investors in Luxembourg can help this region or all Greece by investing? First of all, we have real estate investment companies, which are called SICAVs. SICAVs are publicly traded investment companies primarily dedicated to real estate investments. Then we have risk capital investment companies known as SICARs. This is also a supervised real estate fund. A SICAR is not subject to any diversification rules, is restricted to qualified investor, has access to double tax avoidance treaties, and can qualify for IFMD passports, which is very important for Greece. Then we have real estate specialized investment funds, known as SIFs. These are very flexible funds structures and available to qualified investors only. SIFs are most commonly used. We have over 55 of all Luxembourg real estates are under the form of SIF. And then we have something which is very new and very flexible since 2016, RIFs. You may have heard of RIFs. It's real estate investment funds. This is what this region needs right now. RIFE pools investors' capital to invest directly in real estate assets. So to what I have explained before, this is a vehicle where a Greek investor, a Luxembourg investor, an international investor from all over the world can invest. RIFEs can focus to various property types, including residential, commercial, industrial property, and more. They are faster to seek up. They are not regulated. The only requirement is that they benefit from an appointment of an AFM director who is regulated by our regulatory commission, which is called the Commission de Surveillance du Secteur Financier. That's all. And then they can invest in Greece. We have real estate debt funds. These funds concentrate on real estate debt instruments such as bonds, providing financial to real estate development or acquiring existing mortgage loan. And then we have the limited partnerships, LPs, which can be CLPs or SLPs, and are highly flexible. Currently, and these are statistics, but it's very important so that you can know and you can have confidence on Luxembourg, 30% of all Luxembourg real estates are set up as limited partnerships. So, what exactly are the advantages of alternative investment funds in real estate? Why we are going to call for private investment, equity investment, private equity for investing in Greece? First, as I said, diversification, but then also for alternative strategies. Alternative investment funds employ a variety of alternative strategies, such as private equity, as I said before, but we also have hedge funds, real estate, as you would like here, infrastructure, and more. These strategies can offer investors unique opportunity of returns. Then, another big advantage is that we have a professional management, and as I explained before, IFs are typically managed by experienced professionals who specialize in their respective investment strategies. This is extremely important because it can give a huge security to investors and to targets of these investments. Then we have also access to niche markets, liquidity, access to institutional quality assets, and that's very important also because we can find various sources of assets. AFs frequently invest in institutional-grade properties that may be otherwise inaccessible to individual investors. So even if individuals cannot invest in a property type, we can have a solution from Luxembourg to invest in Greece and in the Nafpaktian area, even if it's not possible by private equity. And then, of course, tax efficiency again, it's very important. I have included in my presentation some statistics, as I call them, which are given for 2022 from the Luxembourg Association of the Fund Industry. I'm not going now to go through this because I don't have the time, but all the statistics say one thing which is very important. Private equity, investments in real estate, investments in Greece are every year in a high increase. All planet, American investors, South American investors, African investors, investors from Dubai, invest through Luxembourg vehicles in Greece and elsewhere. So it's a huge opportunity for the area right now to go upon these statistics, to base on these statistics, and start in combination with all synergies from the European Union, from Brussels, from Luxembourg, to seek this kind of solution, which is extremely important for this area. So I'm not going to go again, just I can offer you the presentation, of course, and then I can offer you all the statistics if you like, or you can also find them in the ALFI RIFE survey of 2022. But what is important, and I would like just to give you some examples. This is exactly what I was saying. It's resumed in some examples about what exactly is investment in Greece, what exactly is investment from Luxembourg in Greece. So, these are real-life case studies of huge investment funds in real estate, first of all. And then I will come also in real estate in Greece, because it exists already. So it can be done. It's not only theoretical. You have Union Investment Real Estate. They have invested. This is a leading global asset manager established in Luxembourg. They have established several RIFs, and they have invested several billion in all Europe, including Greece. And then you have CAB Re, global investors, same also thing. They are managing a range of Luxembourg domiciled RIFs, real estate investment funds, and they are providing investors with access to diverse real estate assets. Investors search to invest their money. Greece is a huge opportunity for them. Then we have, of course, well-known investment funds as our CVC Capital Partners and also BlackRock's iShares. CVC, a leading global private equity firm, and Black also one of the largest assets manager. Then we have also Blackstone, that a lot of professionals know very well, a Greenman Open. And then I'm coming to two speaking examples of investment in Greece: the Cerberus Capital Investment Management in Greece real estate, and also the Global Real Estate. The Cerberus Capital Management is an investment firm. They have been actively involved in the Greek real estates. They entered Greece through the acquisition of a portfolio of non-performing loans, NPLs, from Bank of Piraeus. In 2019, this portfolio was known as the Project Vega. Their involvement in Project Vega was significant in reducing Piraeus Bank NPLs and improving its balance sheet. It also demonstrated that international investors were willing to engage in Greece real estate, including distressed assets. There are a lot of distressed assets, and they are buying them. Global Wealth Real Estate, on the other hand, is a Luxembourg-based real estate company, has made substantial investments in Greek commercial real estate. They have acquired several offices, properties in Athens, mainly in Marousi area, which is a major business district. Global Wealth Investment in Greece offices space has aimed at capitalizing on Greece improving economic conditions. As they say in their prospectus, they saw the potential for steady rental income and long-term capital appreciation. These case studies above illustrate how Luxembourg-based investors have been actively participating in the Greek real estate market, bringing capital, expertise, and confidence. They have not only supported
Συγγνώμη, κύριε Κομνηνέ, συγγνώμη, θα ήθελα απλά να είστε λίγο πιο σύντομος.
Τελειώνω.
Ωραία,
Έχω ακόμα δύο πράγματα να πω.
Ευχαριστώ.
Recovery, but also capitalized an opportunity for steady returns and portfolio diversification. Thank you very much. I could say a lot more, but unfortunately I don't have the time. Σας ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ που με ακούσατε. Εάν χρειαστείτε οτιδήποτε, είμαι στη διάθεσή σας.